my name is Lucia, and today I will talk about this book, Merci Suarez Changes Gears by Medina. It has a Newbery Award. So first, the main character was Merci Suarez. When I saw the title of this book, I thought this book will be about bicycle, but it was a kind of a figure of speech. These gears mean change. So I can say this book talk about change to mercy. Before talking about the story, I need to introduce about Merci Suarez. Merci was a scholarship student at Seward Academy. Also, she lived with big family, so she couldn't go trip or vacation. But her friend Edna was different. Edna was wealthy and she often went to trip with her family. Edna was a queen of girls. First change is Sunshine Buddy. Sunshine Buddy was a system that helps a new student, and Mercy became a Sunshine Buddy for Mikhail. However, Edna left Mikhail, so Mercy should help Mikhail because of teachers, but also she shouldn't help Mikhail because of Edna and her friends. Second change is her grandfather. To Mercy, her grandfather was the most friendly person. The problem is grandfather got Alzheimer's, so he couldn't remember Mercy. The last page of this book, Mercy understood all changes. And she said a change is just a harder gear, so she should go more powerfully. This was all story, and I like Merci Suarez. Mercy was a unique and wise character. He didn't hide from Edna. And yes, Mercy thought very gracefully. And I was surprised because people had their own way of talking. Sometimes I felt uncomfortable because of that in other books. Merci Suarez Changes Gears was a heartwarming story, so if you are curious about this book, I will recommend this book to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.